on all sides. Just Mourinho Benos is also getting a makeover. Oh, Kate Manis. Last area has its own new outside seating area. Nice and clean. Cleaned all the seaweed up. Wow, what a beautiful look inside here. All the seating areas. Very nice. Beautiful love hearts flying here. Oh, get one free beer. This is, I haven't featured Kate Manis in a video. Well, Bali, I'm never coming home. Picture perfect. Telling me about this one. This is a very popular one. Says these are great birds and accommodation. This. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 3 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area, Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the rear entrance of the Icon Bali shopping mall through to the Byrd house. So my reason for being back in this location so soon, I have featured this area in a walking tour not so long ago, but my reason for being back here today is there's been quite a lot of developments and quite a lot of upgrades currently taking place, and I want to bring those to your attention because they're quite major. The major one here that's going to be featured in today's video is the brand new Sindhu beach market area. So many of you have probably been to Sanur before, have maybe visited the Sindhu beach market area. However, it was looking a little bit old and tired, so it's had a complete renovation. It's looking as though it's not far off completion now. I'm going to take you through and show you what's going on there. It looks as though they're going to make a nice walkway. They've widened it all out. It looks really, really nice, or looks as though it's going to be very, very nice in there. So I shall take you in there today, give you a look around so you can see what's going on. There's also a new Osteria restaurant, which is sort of right at the back of the Icon Bali shopping mall. That was just a restaurant there before. They've also added a new beachfront seating area addition to the restaurant, so that's very, very nice, overlooking the or closer to the beach and the ocean as well there. And then the third thing, Mourinho Benos is getting a full makeover as well. The inside of the restaurant, the outside seating of the restaurant, that is right next to the Sindhu beach market area, so it looks as though it's all taking place all in conjunction with one another. So there's lots going on in this area today. So as I'm walking along the track, I'm going to take in everything along the way. I think there's the Kajora Sweets, the Inner Sindhu, and then you have the Sagara, which is at the Byrd house right down at the end. There's going to be a few beachfront restaurants as well in this area, massage and spa on the beach, a few water sports activities and things taking place on the beach. It's going to give you a general idea what you can expect from this area and an insight into what the new Sindhu beach market area is going to look like here in Sanur. Okay, so here's the start point for today's video, the rear entrance to the Icon Bali shopping mall. It's a Friday. Not super busy, not like it would be if it was a weekend. Oh, there's quite a few tourists though cycling past on the bicycles. Of the Sands beach restaurant here. I featured this in the video. I was a little bit disappointed personally with this. But you can see it's very, very popular. Has a very high review score as well online. Just take you and show you. We'll just cut through here and show you the beach area here. And the main reason why we're out today is to go and show you the new market that's under construction. Here's the beautiful beach today here in Sanur. Wow. For an evening time, you'll have a light show on here. The Icon Bali swing there. Guys flying these big things here. So he's trying to get it to take off. In the distance. Beautiful love hearts flying here. People relaxing on the beanbag seating. Hello. We have so there's the sands. We have Osteria here. This also has a new seating area outside. Quite busy in there as well. A few people there. And then this is another area where I wanted to show you. Last area has its own new outside seating area as well now. Wow, look at that. Very, very nice, overlooking the ocean. A few customers in there actually. Very nice. Last area. Body massage here. Charlie body massage. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Some sun lounges here. Maybe these are for rent, or I'm not sure whether they are part of the Kajora Villas and Suites, which is here. The Kajora Villas and Suites. It's a very nice accommodation, this. Should maybe book this myself sometime to feature it in a video. Made requests. Super seafood specials. Oh, this is at the Glass House. This is a restaurant on Jalandhana, Tambalingan. Maybe it's part of the Kajora Suites. We'll go back on the walking path. I want to walk on the bicycle path. So we do have sunbeds for rent in this area. It's usually 50,000 per sunbed, 100 for the two. They normally try to charge by two. Maybe you can get for 50,000. Wow, so many bicycle rentals here. Oh la la. Oh, kids' bikes as well. So I have bike and chair for rent. I have another massage again here. Some people in there having a massage. And this is why we're out today. This is going to be the new Sindhu beach market. So it's going to be a proper, nicely done market. Wow. The work construction site looks so it's going to be a nice paved area right down the middle. All opened up. It's going to be very, very beautiful, this. On all sides. They're just doing it now. Wow. It's a big, long market. It's all going to be nice and clean. Wow. How's that? Okay, so just coming out of the beach market, we have the massage there. Wow. Mourinho Benos is also getting a makeover. Oh my god, lots going on in this area. I thought the restaurant was already nice there. We're having the decking area overlooking the ocean done as well. Wow, lots going on here then at the moment. Some little shops here. Dresses, sandals, and things of that nature. And here we have the KU Manis Seaside Sanur. Tour information, tour booking office there. KU Manis Seaside Sanur. That's the inside of the KU Manis. Nice sitting area in here. Flat screen TV on the wall in there. Seating overlooking the footpath. So counter bar area there. Oh, very nice. It's just coming out with some nice looking drinks there. We also have a seating area here as well, overlooking the ocean. There's a collection of tables and chairs in there. Oh, very nice. Wow. KU Manis. So next to the KU Manis is Soul on the Beach. This is a very good restaurant. Also is the KU Manis. I've eaten at both of these places. I haven't featured KU Manis in a video. Well, Bali, I'm never coming home. Picture perfect moment for those of you who want to remember Sanur. Very busy in here. So the seating areas, counter area there. And we also have a seating area as well overlooking the ocean here. There's a collection of tables and chairs in there. A few customers. Welcome to Soul on the Beach. Boys for rent. That's a weird way to write something. Another massage spa here again. Family there having the massage and spa. Sindhu Beach, so at the Sindhu Beach area now. They have I'll just cut through here. Well, you shouldn't be walking through here really. This is the inner Sindhu. There's the inner Sindhu. I think this is the restaurant where they serve breakfast. Also have another restaurant out on the beach as well here. This is called Boo Beachside Restaurant and Bar. Oh, nice entrance. 2 for 1. Oh, get 1 free beer. Beef ribs, 160k. Hello, how are you, sir? Good, you good? Can I just have a look? Yeah. There's a lot of seating areas here. Tables and chairs. We have sun lounges as well overlooking the beach. We'll take you down and then we'll walk back. Very, very beautiful beach location here. Nice and clean. Cleaned all the seaweed up. Wow, what a beautiful beach. Very, very nice. Okay, so just leaving Bubble. We have 2 for 1 on the cocktails as well. 95k. 95k for 2. It seems a good deal. I don't know because I don't drink, but it seems a good deal. Nice City Mart there, that convenience store. Well, this is connected with the inner Sindhu as well. Very cold beer, -2. Bar area there. And then we have a collection of warungs here at the back. Wow. Very popular. All Indonesian though, I don't see any Western tourists. My friend keeps telling me about this one. This is a very popular one. Says these are great burgers. He's an expat. He's lived here for a few years, who should know. And I'll get back and show you around the front here. Okay, so there's City Mart. Now we have our Sindhu Beach restaurants here. We have a Mr. Coffee here. All the different coffees there, all the prices. A nice looking place. Some seating as well here. Wow. And here's all of our local little warungs. How are you? Fresh young coconuts there. Hello, how are you? There's all the warungs there, all the seating areas here. A few tourists I see at the front there. Indonesian here. This is a place called Amphibia. I believe this is quite popular for the seafood. There's all the fresh seafood here. There's a seating area. It's not busy now because we're the wrong time of the day. So we're exploring here. Some sun lounges again as well here. And then here we have the Sindhu Turtle Conservation Centre. So they're doing some work here as well. Oh, they're actually doing the burying the eggs in the sand. Wow, interesting. So here's the inside. So they have a lot of tanks with all the turtles here. Just make a donation in that box there. You see all the turtles, all different sizes in there. And just coming out from our Turtle Conservation Centre. So we'll just take you a little bit on the beach. Somebody with the parrot. How are you? Somebody's with the kite in the sky there, surfing on the water. Beautiful as that. Very quiet today because it's Friday afternoon. Come here Saturday. This is going to be very, very busy. Little sellers just setting up here. The drinks here. Oh, very cheap drinks. Only 10k. Very cheap price that for the beach. There's a little coffee place there. And then this is the Street of Jalan Sindhu. Leads you up to the Street of Jalan Danatoba, all the markets and things in the back there. There you go on the beach there, 7 AM to 7 PM. Bicycles. Lots of tourists on the bicycles. This is a place called the Hutu's Coffee Shop. A few tourists in there. Main coffee shop is just in the back and through there. Have a spa as well here, IU Spa. We'll have Warung Kereta here. And a new carving there. A few tourists down at the front there. A few little stores here. We have the Baruna Beach Market down here. So it's like another little market there. How are you, madam? No, I'm making the video, thank you. We have Tutsi here, sorry we're directing to sunlight there. Happy hour cocktail, 55k. It's Tutsi. Inside seating area. Fresh coconut, 26k. It's gone up 1,000. All of the menus here for Tutsi. It's a little bit small print for the camera. Just show you the seating area. This is the small seating area there. Tutsi beer buckets. All the prices have gone now. Bintang Crystal, regular Bintang 145 for 5 bottles. Oh, and then there's plus as well on top of that, it says, so maybe plus. How are you, brother? You good? Oh, he has the fireworks, yeah? We have bicycle rental, sunbed rental and everything here again. And then here we have the Byrd house. Very, very nice little seating areas out here. Very nice. I've been in there before, I'm not going to go in today. It's intrusion. We'll just take you around as well and show you. This is the Byrd house main restaurant area here. Some nice seating areas in there as well. Byrd house. Very, very nice. Just cut round through the security guys here. An outdoor shower there. There's the Byrd house. Just go through, just take a look inside here. All the seating areas. Very, very nice. Wow. I'll take you through here and show you the beach area as well here. This is where we're going to finish today's video at the Byrd house. Some nice sun lounges as well here. Oh, very nice. And here's our beach area here. Looks as though the tide's on its way out. Quite a few people actually along the front here. Beautiful beach area. Wow.